Friends, here we will be talking about different ways to pass JSON data as an input to JQ command. And here I am explaining about this concept using the very basic filter called identity filter. Now let me go with step by step. See, suppose if you want to work with strings using JQ command, then how we can work? Now let me explain this on my command line. See, this is JSON object, and we can't provide this JSON object as an input to JQ command. Let me tell you that. See, suppose if you display this using echo command, see the result. Quotations are missing. So for your key and value, there are no quotations. So instead of that, just convert your JSON object into a string. See, converting your JSON object into a string is nothing but just write your data inside single quotation. Now display that using your echo command. Yes, you are getting your quotations. That's fine. So now this is JSON string. So this JSON string you can provide as an input to JQ command. So for that, syntax is simply JQ. Simply I am taking as of now identity filter, then redirection symbol, that is from your Unix knowledge or Linux knowledge, then your string. Now see the result. Yes. Or simply you can apply pipeline and then write your JQ filter or JQ command on your echo command. This is also fine. Or there is one more way. This is standard way. Simply JQ dot. See, this is command format. JQ command with options and filters. Then 3 less than symbols. And this is some command format. So inside that you have to write command, but make sure that that command output must be a JSON data. So if you observe here, this command output is a JSON data. Now anyway, if you display this, we are having our JSON string in that. Now let me copy and paste that command and see the result. Perfect. So there are 3 ways to work with strings using JQ command. Then next, suppose if you want to work with the file using JQ command, very simple. See, suppose here I have a file called demo.json. So if you want to work with the file, the very simple easiest way is JQ command. Then if you have some options and filters, anyway as of now we are using identity filter, space your file name. That's it. Very simple one. Simply providing file name. Or simply you can apply pipeline by catting your file, then JQ command with filter. That's it. Or there is one more way, that is simply JQ dot triple less than your command format. Then inside that you have to provide a command such a way that that command output is a JSON data. See, if you cat your file called demo.json, definitely this is a JSON string. So this is also one of the way. That's it. So to work with your files also we have 3 ways. Then next one is passing REST API response as an input to JQ command. Very simple. See, this is one of the REST API and we are executing that with curl command. Then the output is JSON data. Of course this is array of JSON data. No problem. Now on this command output directly you can apply your JQ filter with pipeline. That's it. And here if you pipeline your JQ command for your curl command, in the output we are seeing some progress bar. Actually this is downloading the content from this REST API. So if you want to skip this, yes, we can skip it with the help of -s option in your curl command. It is useful, just remember that. Now see, after applying with the -s option in your curl command while executing REST API, now there is no progress bar, downloading progress bar. That's fine. And one more thing, by default curl command will apply get method on your REST API. So externally if you want to apply any method on your REST APIs, yes, we can apply with the help of -x then method. So as of now on this REST API, if you apply get method, you will get this response. So I am applying get method. That's it. And there is one more option or to apply your JQ command on your REST API. Let me show you that. That is simply JQ dot redirection, then command format. Just provide the command inside this. So be clear, whatever the command you are providing inside of that parenthesis, that command output must be a JSON data. That's it. Okay guys, these are the different ways to work with your JSON data using JQ command. Thank you.